Uh, Hi guys. So this video is regarding a token called Minerium. So here you can see that this was the airdrop which was conducted by Minerium a few days back. Yeah. So the persons who have entered their Ethereum addresses, they have got 32,000 Minerium in their account. You can see over here. So now they have released their version 2. Everything is live. So the people who have received their coin, they can just log into their MyEther wallet or MetaMask wallet, and they can find their 32,000 Minerium coins. Yeah. So this is the page where you'll have the entire details regarding what you can do, what you can't do, everything. So now we are here. So these are all our Genesis addresses. 11 lakhs 97,000 Genesis addresses were collected, including the version 1, which was during 2017. So the airdrop was conducted. Each Genesis addresses have received 32,000 Minerium. Yeah, so that's all. So now we are all at level 1. Level 1, wherein you cannot transfer your Minerium coins, nor you can generate any Minerium coins, nor you can mine. That is the information given here. So in order to mine the coins or transfer the coins, you'll have to update your Genesis address to level 2 or level 3. Here it is, level 3. So if you are updating it to level 2, then you can set the address for the sale, transfer Genesis addresses, and self mine. You cannot transfer Minerium to other addresses, cannot decentralize trade, and cannot destroy your Genesis address and receive Minerium coins. So if you update the your Genesis address to level 3, you can do all these things, which is basically you can do everything like transfer, trade, mine, and all. So this is all the information over here. So now I'll show how do you put your address for sale. If you don't want to update your address to level 2 or level 3, then you can just sell your Genesis address over here, which is minerium.com/version2 my address. So if you just refresh this page, it will ask you to log in through MetaMask. So this is my password, which of course is protected. Yeah, so it will ask you like should it connect to the account. So we'll just have to connect, and boom, MetaMask is connected to the. So here, this is my MetaMask. Now I'll show you how do you sell your Genesis addresses using Minerium decentralized exchange. So you have your MetaMask here. Just click on your MetaMask, add your account, import it using your private key. This is my private key for the account which has 32,000 Minerium tokens. Yeah, this is it. So once I refresh this, I'll be connected to the account 3, which is let me just show you the details. Let's just name this mine 2. Okay, and let's just view this on Etherscan so that you'll know the address. So this address is AE8103, which has Minerium 32,000 tokens. Okay, so let's go to Minerium and refresh this page. There you go. So this is your address, this is your Genesis address. So where available balance is 0 but the total balance is 32,000 Minerium. So now you can upgrade it to level 2 or upgrade it to level 3, or you can use multiple addresses. Now you can put your Genesis address for sale. You can just click set for sale, and this will ask for a little fee, which is almost 0.60, and I don't think I have $0.60 in my account. So if you just click next, and boom, that's it. You can put your address for sale, and buyers can go to buy Genesis addresses. So here are all the Genesis addresses which you can buy, but this price is for level 3 address. So all the Genesis addresses which are over here, they will be converted into Genesis level 3 once you buy using 0.44 Ethereum, wherein 0.1 Ethereum goes to the seller, and 0.3 something goes to the Minerium people. So that's it. And overall, the point of the project is these 32,000 Minerium are dormant, stay dormant in your account unless you upgrade them to level 2 or level 3. Once you upgrade them to level 2, they start mining. These are the self mining tokens. So once they start mining, you can generate up to 1.84 Minerium per day. And if you are upgraded to level 3 also, the same tokens will be generated, but you have different options for level 2 and 3. So until and unless these 1.84 tokens generated per day reach 32,000, which will almost take 50 years, then you will be able to use all your 32,000 tokens. So the basic point here is, if you upgrade to level 2 and 3, you can generate 1.84 Ethereums Mineriums per day, and then you can the generated or the mined self mined Minerium tokens can be sold or exchanged in you can buy Minerium in Minerium decentralized exchange, which is over here like 25 for this price, and this price. These are all the trade history and all. Or you can go to Livecoin. You can see the this is the main website for Minerium. Yeah, so these are a few exchanges, which is livecoin.net or Minerium version 2 or etherscan.io. These are exchanges and block explorer. So this is how Minerium works: Genesis addresses, supply, and then mining. That's it. Bye bye.